The AI Standup for June 8th, 2026. Welcome back. Today, we're tracking three major developments. First, NVIDIA is making a massive push into the physical world, building what it calls AI factories with industrial giants. Second, we'll look at how sovereign AI is becoming a reality, with the UK making significant strides to become an AI maker. And finally, OpenAI is looking beyond the chatbot. We'll dig into what their next interface might be. Let's get into it. First up, NVIDIA is making a massive strategic push beyond the data center and onto the factory floor. They're operationalizing this through a concept they call the AI factory, and they're executing it by partnering with industrial titans like LG Group and Doosan Group. Let's dissect the LG partnership. They are co-establishing a dedicated AI factory to power LG's R&D in physical AI. This means advanced robotics, next-generation autonomous driving systems, and even optimizing their internal data center tech. This isn't just a hardware sale. It's the deployment of an end-to-end accelerated computing infrastructure. This infrastructure is purpose-built for the full AI lifecycle in physical applications, which is far more complex than in the digital realm. We're talking about training models on noisy sensor data and then, critically, running complex, physically accurate simulations. This is where platforms like NVIDIA Omniverse and Isaac Sim become essential, allowing companies to create digital twins of entire factories or vehicle fleets to train and validate AI in simulation before deploying to hardware. This sim to real pipeline is key to safely and cost effectively developing physical AI. The expanded partnership with Doosan Group follows the exact same playbook, but for heavy industry: industrial automation, construction robotics, and AI driven optimization for power generation. For both, NVIDIA is positioning its full stack as the central nervous system for modern industry. This is a clear move to embed their technology deep within the industrial sector, signaling that the next major AI frontier is the control and optimization of physical atoms. Next, the abstract concept of sovereign AI is rapidly becoming a concrete national strategy. NVIDIA recently highlighted major progress in the UK's National AI Initiative 1 year in. This is a crucial trend to understand because it's about more than just buying compute. It's a strategic national investment to ensure the UK controls its own AI destiny. The explicit goal is to establish the UK as an AI maker, not just a consumer. Why is this so important? Three reasons: data sovereignty, national security, and economic competitiveness. By building its own national level AI infrastructure, the UK can ensure sensitive public and private data is trained and stored within its borders. It also reduces dependency on a handful of foreign hyperscalers for critical infrastructure, which is a growing national security concern for many governments. Economically, the collaboration with NVIDIA to build this foundational compute fabric aims to catalyze a domestic startup ecosystem. By providing subsidized or prioritized access to state of the art supercomputing, the goal is to lower the barrier to entry for UK based AI companies, allowing them to train large models and compete globally. This public private partnership model is a blueprint we can expect to see replicated as more nations realize that controlling the AI stack is fundamental to 21st century power. Our third main story comes from inside OpenAI. While the world is still mastering prompt engineering for chatbots, OpenAI is already architecting what comes next. According to a TechCrunch report citing a senior employee, work on a potential super app continues, but the critical insight is the growing internal consensus to move beyond the chat based interface. Let's think about why this is so significant. The chat window was a brilliant 0 to 1 innovation. It's intuitive and effectively demonstrated the power of LLMs, but it's also a bottleneck. It's a reactive, turn based paradigm where the AI is largely passive until prompted. For AI to become a true productivity multiplier, it needs to evolve from a conversationalist into an agent. A post chat interface would likely be more proactive, persistent, and integrated. Imagine an AI that isn't confined to a text box, but operates as a layer across your OS, with the context of your applications. It could assemble a report from a spreadsheet and a document without you needing to copy paste data into a prompt. This evolution from a pull model, where we ask for information, to a push model, where the AI proactively assists, is the logical next step. OpenAI's internal exploration confirms that the race for the next dominant UI paradigm, the successor to the GUI and the mobile touchscreen, is officially on. And now for a quick hit. Users of the productivity platform Notion will be glad to hear that access to Anthropic's AI services has been fully restored after a recent service disruption. The company acknowledged significant user feedback during the outage, highlighting just how quickly these AI integrations have become critical workflow components for many users. All right, let's distill this down to the key takeaways for engineers and investors. For engineers and developers, the big signal is the convergence of AI and physical systems. If you're in robotics, automation, or industrial IoT, expect to work extensively with NVIDIA's full stack, from hardware to simulation platforms like Omniverse. The UK's Sovereign AI initiative also points to growing opportunities in large scale AI systems deployment and public sector infrastructure projects. For investors and market watchers, NVIDIA is executing a clear and aggressive strategy to dominate the industrial AI market. These AI factory partnerships are a blueprint for embedding their tech into the global manufacturing and logistics backbone. Secondly, the rise of sovereign AI is a major geopolitical and market trend. National governments are becoming massive customers for AI infrastructure, creating a new politically driven market segment. Finally, keep a close watch on the AI user interface. OpenAI's exploration of post chat paradigms is a leading indicator that the next multi trillion-dollar platform shift could be in how we interact with AI itself. That's our analysis for today. These trends, industrial AI, sovereign compute, and the evolution of interfaces, are shaping the next decade of technology. If you're a professional in this space, this is the content you need. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next breakdown. Thanks for watching.